A very good morning to you all. Yes, it's another brand new day. It's a Tuesday, the second day of a new week. So before we go further, all I wanted to do is to do some recap on a few pairs we looked at yesterday. And that will include the dollar index, the US index, major indices, and a few currency pairs. So without wasting time, let's just look at a Forex calendar to see possibly if we likely to have some news throughout the week. So let's go to Forex Factory. We dive in so that we can check if we can possibly have some fundamentals which might affect the movement of the market this week. So today is a Tuesday. It seems we don't have anything on Tuesday. Today is the 6th. Yesterday, it was a Monday. We had some fundamentals, manufacturing PMI from the States. You see it came out negative. Yes, it really affected the dollar on a negative note. So tomorrow, we'll be having fundamentals for AUD. Actually, tomorrow in the morning, 2 a.m. in the morning. This is South African time, since I stay in South Africa. Yes. And tomorrow during the New York session, we shall be having ADP non-farm employment change. Yeah, this ADP non-farm employment change. Yeah, this is the job count from the private sector. So this is what we'll be having tomorrow, 15 minutes past 3. And I will also have at 5 ISM service PMI and job opening. So the major events that we'll be having this week, probably since it's the first week of the month, we normally look at a few events, fundamentals such as NFP. In every first week, every first Friday of a new month. So this is gonna be the first Friday of the new month. On Thursday we have CPI on the chef, unemployment claims on the dollar. Then finally on Friday, we're gonna be having NFP. You can see the time 3:30. NFP, unemployment rate, 2 events from the same state, from the same country. And we have also employment change and unemployment rate on Canadian dollars. So we have 2 sets of events at the same time from 2 different countries. So these are 2 major countries. So basically, yeah, we just had to know that our biggest event of the week that we have will be these 4 events. Employment change from card, unemployment rate still from card, then average earnings, non-farm payroll, and unemployment rate from the states. So let's dive into the charts. We see what we're likely to look at today and for the rest of the week. How is the market likely to move? So back to the charts. Let me start with the DXY. That's the Dxy. Like we say, Dxy is the index which tracks the performance of the dollar. So the Dxy yesterday, we talked about it. And we had some reasons why we were hoping to short it. So like I said yesterday, Dxy has been on the bearish trend. You can take it from daily. You could say we had currently, we've been having the current order flow that we have. It was a bearish order flow. An order flow swing high, a swing low with a fair value gap in between and the fair value area. which is acting as a breakout structure here. So when you go to 4 hour, this is my time frame for analysis, that where I made all my analysis. We saw the current range we in after price giving us a valid breakout structure. A valid breakout structure happened because it had first taken out the inducement. Then this swing high happened to be a valid swing high. Then after it broke below, it gave us a valid breakout structure. So for the valid breakout structure, you could say price retraced. This is actually the buy side of the curve. Price retraced back to areas of premium. What did we have in areas of premium? We had area of supply, which I had marked. This is where I was hoping to sell off the dollar. Well, price came and reacted. But still, we need to do some confirmations on 15 minutes. Like I said, I was looking for now a market maker sell model. Changing state of delivery was here. This candle closure, and this is a chalk on 15 minutes. So since we got a chalk price confirmed, our breakout structure on 15 minutes, our first breakout here, which is a chalk, came and gave us the most recent lower high again, which is now acting as an area of inducement. So this is what I'm waiting for the dollar. I'm waiting for further shorts. I'm waiting to see price taking out all this area of inducement. This is the most recent swing high. So liquidity resting on the recently formed valid pullback. Liquidity resting above. This is what actually I'm waiting to see. Price to sweep it to target. After sweeping it, I'm waiting to see price targeting now the what? The 15 minutes area of supply before I short. So this will be my setup on 15 minutes, my confirmation setup. Short position, this is my extreme order block on 15 minutes. My stop loss will be up, and I'll be targeting the 4-hour low. If you go to 4-hour low, this is our major swing low on 4 hour. I'll be targeting this. So I'm yet to confirm this sell. So I'm waiting for this inducement to be taken out. Price mitigates this 15 minutes area of supply. Then I'll be looking for the sell. So that's DXY. DXY and gold, we still have areas to look at gold. On gold, on H4, currently we have some area of inducement. So before I always take trades, I normally wait for levels of inducement to be taken out. Like we currently have an internal shift of market structure. This is the area of inducement, and below we have our point of interest, which is a gap and an order block. So this is where actually I'm expecting to take a sell. If this inducement gets taken out, I'll be expecting price to mitigate back to discount areas so that I can take a buy. So that's it. Yeah, I wanted to analyze only gold and DXY. Have a blessed day. Thank you.